Welcome to Absolute Degens, where we dive deep into the world of crypto with a touch of crude humor. Today we're comparing two popular tokens, Pepe and Shib. Let's start with Pepe. Known for its unique tokenomics and innovative project, Pepe has seen significant developments in recent months. With a strong use case and impressive historical ROI, Pepe has caught the attention of many investors. Speculation suggests that with its current market cap and growing popularity, Pepe could potentially achieve a high multiplier in the near future. Now, onto Shib. Inspired by the Shiba Inu dog breed, Shib has its own charm in the crypto world. Its project background and developments have contributed to its success. Despite its already high market cap, Shib continues to attract new investors. Speculations on its potential multiplier are also on the rise. It's worth noting that both tokens have rewarded early adopters handsomely. However, with the economic landscape shifting and younger generations seeking ways to increase their purchasing power, both Pepe and Shib could still outperform Bitcoin. So, to all you filthy degenerates out there, keep an eye on Pepe and Shib as they navigate the ever-changing crypto market. Stay tuned for more sarcastic insights on Absolute Degens.